So just yesterday, I was just talking about that of the bottoms of the stock market where I bought, and that's of April 2020, and then again once more in April of 2025. And I just made that video yesterday. And what happens today? Everything falls off the face of the earth. Funny how that is. Anyway, I saw things happening right here. And of course, at the end of the month, and again, once more, it's a new month, and each and every month is different, right? It goes up, down, sideways, whatever, right? So October, November, and of course, you go down here. I see this. Look at the numbers. Decrease, 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 fall on the face of the earth. All of a sudden, boom, right? Right there. That's what I was watching for, and of course. We went from 49 to 29. I sold some yesterday. And I sold a lot more today. And of course, there is that of my indicators that went a little crazy, and that was my SQQQ. And of course, the largest stocks, the stock options, my leaps have fallen off the face of the earth, and my buddy says, you should watch that of the S&P 500 EW Investo EFT. I have no idea what that is, so I'll have to check into that too and make some more money as if everything falls off the face of the earth. So anyway, yeah, I'll make a little bit longer video from the last video. I actually had a long video going, and then I had to get rid of some things on my phone. So from 49 to 29, that's a little bit of a fall off the face of the earth. I think that's just a little bit bigger than this last one. The last dip there. But again, once more, we're still in the, we're still in the green. And we're still up. But I look at this. And of course, I saw this one coming. Because I noticed this was starting to dip. Right at the end of the month there. So you know that once this starts dipping, something's going to fly before long, and sure enough, boom. Like I said, each and every month is different. And of course, the put and calls, that's on a W formation right now. So, something's going to happen there. And of course, this was all of April. The fall off the face of the earth. And then some shortcuts there. That was a little bit of a speed bump. This could have got a lot higher. We'll just see how this reacts right here. This is obvious a lot larger than this last speed bump. So I'll just keep on going here and make this past that of a 5-minute video so it won't go into a short. I had a longer video going, but I got cut off by my phone. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see what happens on that of Monday. And of course, Monday's Thanksgiving in Canada, so I guess we won't find out. But I mean, United States will find out. Of course, everybody will find out. That's just a little bit in the red. But that's what you wait for, right? You wait for everything to fall off the face of the earth, hit bottom, and then go back up again. And that's where you make your money. That's where everything goes from this area here, right, to here, and back over here. And then you rebuy everything, and you ride it back up again. Get to here, you sell it off. You sell off here, It was between here and here in the last little while. So it was a fight between bear and bull, and then boom, fell back. Now it's got to fall back some more here. And I really think it will do that. I don't think it will be this the 1 day thing, right? I mean, the tariffs between the United States and China is just a little large. So that's my philosophy behind that. I'm no high technical expert or anything, but I've been doing this for the last couple of years, and I'm pretty darn accurate. Like I got the 80% win rate, so 80 to 90. So I must know what I'm doing. So, although that said, a lot of people thought it was a bunch of BS, so that's why I made the channel. And now they know. And of course, a lot more friends that I have traded with day trading also know. And that's all on FinViz. And of course, all the indicators, they're still here on my wall from way back when. Anyway, that just made the 6-minute video. That'll be a long form video. Have yourselves a very good day. Subscribe for more. Check out my community page. Maybe we'll put a link down below there on what I'm doing right now as far as that of long-term investment in stocks, and that's with Simply Wall Street, wallstreet.com, or not .com, it's Simply Wall Street, simplywall.st, street, st, right, street. You know it's getting late when you start mumbling and mumbling. Anyway, have yourselves a very good day. Subscribe way more. Check out my community page. Check out that link down below. And of the description, you get free for the first 30 days, after which you pick a purchase. Then I get a little bit of a commission. Everybody's happy. I'm happy. You're happy. And the whole world's happy. I'm out of here. Goodbye.